Hi.
Preparing to go get coffee. Dun dun dun! She knows she married a dork.
I'm sticking my tongue out at you.
You're licking your mask?
Oh, yeah.
What is it? A sticky toe! A sticky toe.
Those are sticky toes.
Turn left onto US 25 North. What? She's telling
She wants me to turn left.
Should he turn right?
No! 25 North. Hey! I can't drive a camel!
Hi.
Celebrating selling that house.
Woohoo! Oh, a little sideways.
We made the trip out to Callaway Gardens in Georgia. This is actually a pretty nice area.
It's gorgeous. I've never even heard of it, and I just know that I want to come back.
There's a ton to do, and that is a giant caterpillar. I had to record that in a second, but that is humongous. But yeah, there's plenty to do out here. Butterfly garden, lake with a beach, golf course, just about everything you can think of. Mommy's staying behind, so I'm gonna follow the munchkin. But yeah, so we're gonna finish exploring this area a little bit.
No, this is a really beautiful place. I feel like you got a little bit for everyone to do. There's a golf course. You know, we're here with my parents and Steven, and so we all have different likes, and so this to me is like a perfect place to come because we can go hiking and biking, and then we can all come do things like this, and then they can play golf or just chill. The cabins are beautiful, so definitely recommend it. Augie, would you come back here?
Yeah, but somebody just lost their frying pan.
And they lost their frying pan. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but there's some kind of round thing there. Not over the water, you can't.
I can't go in the water.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get you your own GoPro soon. You're gonna be Daddy's little second.
Go.
Are you gonna be Daddy's second camera?
Ugh.
You gonna be my camera assistant?
Somebody just lost their frying pan.
Yeah, I forgot I had this.
All right, your first ride in the bed of a truck.
Most time you don't do it in a lawn chair.
Why are we stopping?
We're driving.
You're riding in the back of Daddy's truck.
You still have to stop for traffic.
You gotta sit. You don't want to fall out. Do you see the airplane?
I see one, yeah. Gotta be a high one.
It's got to be a high one.
Like Harold and Kumar.
Gotta hold your eyes. Shield your eyes.
Hi.
Hi.
There it is, over there. It's going fast.
Love you.
Love you too.
It's been a minute since I've ridden on the back of the truck. It must have been about Augie's age, I guess.
That's because you wouldn't let your daddy have a truck.
Hey, Mommy,
Hey,
do
Augie.
you have your bathing suit?
No, we gotta come back and get my bathing suit.
Yeah.
I don't know, what color is it? Don't touch it.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
That one's my favorite.
Oh, and they have tentacles.
Over your nose.
Don't touch, just look.
Is this butterfly?
That's a chicken.
This butterfly.
Oh, it's a butterfly, not a chicken.
Augie, where are you?
I'm at the butterfly store,
Yeah. Oh,
and I see you some cheese.
cheese. What's that?
You gonna let mommy record you?
So I gotta see you.
You smell like stinky toes.
And a butterfly. How y'all doing today?
Right? See, they're coming out of their chrysalis.
Look at this one over here. It's already doing its thing.
Look at that one.
Look, they're moving.
And I'm digging a hole, diggy diggy hole, diggy.
I just had to
diggy
document
hole.
this ridiculousness. Why are you yelling? You're on top of mommy.
You gonna do it, buddy?
Yeah. What? I don't want to go home. Well, we gotta go up there for just a minute.
Go, Augie, go! 1, 2, 3.
Do I need it?